What if the next 4 years don't just give you a degree, but decide the next 40? That's the gamble every Indian engineering aspirant takes when they click submit on their JOSIA choices. Today we uncover the truth, no filters, no fluff about a college that doesn't always scream for attention. But those who've lived through it, they call it a crucible. This is your AI-powered deep dive into NIT Jamshedpur. Real insights, real risks, real rewards. And stay till the end, because the final verdict might change how you think about college forever. ACT1. The illusion. What you think NIT Jamshedpur is. When you first hear NIT Jamshedpur, a few things come to mind. Legacy, government tag, prestigious entrance. Maybe not the flashiest NIT, but solid. Founded in 1960, it's one of India's original 8 RECs, later turned into an NIT in 2002. Located in Jharkhand's steel capital, this campus stretches across 360 acres of forested hills and urban energy. On paper, it ticks all the boxes. National level status, top JEE main ranks, multiple engineering branches, active placements, cultural fests, industrial relevance. But here's the catch. Reality at NIT Jamshedpur hits you fast. Usually by the time you open your hostel door. The reality check life on campus. Your first encounter? The hostels. If you're lucky, you'll be placed in one of the newer blocks, renovated, well-lit and semi-modern. If not, get ready for cracked walls, shared bathrooms and furniture that's seen more engineering batches than your textbooks. The mess offers survival cuisine, rotating menus, dependable dal and Sunday treats that earn street cred. Yes, the Wi-Fi works when it feels like it. Classrooms? A mixed bag. Some modern, some still haunted by chalkboards and dying projectors. But here's where it gets interesting. These constraints breed innovation. Students build apps to track mess menus, fix plumbing issues with Arduino sensors, or teach juniors how to crack DSA over midnight Maggie. It's Jugaad meets ambition and somehow it works. It's like Hogwarts. But instead of magic wands, you use Python scripts and duct tape. ACT2, the grind. Surviving versus thriving. Academics. Where it matters most, academically, NIT Jamshedpur is a mixed bag with hidden gems. Mechanical, civil, metallurgy and ECE have strong fundamentals, experienced faculty and good labs. CSE and IT are fast risers, driven by both student passion and rising industry demand. Professors range from deeply invested mentors to open your textbook to page 42 inches veterans. But don't wait for the system to carry you. Winners here self-learn. They go beyond syllabus. Online certifications, open source projects, GATE and CAT prep, competitive programming, and early internships. This place gives you enough rope to either build a ladder or tie a noose. Pause emphasis. The choice, yours. Placements. The numbers game. Let's talk outcomes. CSE and IT students lead. Average packages? 11 to 14 LPA. Top recruiters? Amazon, Microsoft, Flipkart, Oracle, Publicis. Even third-year internships often convert to PPOs. But core branches? They fight a tougher battle. Average package? 5 to 7 LPA. Job roles, GATs, plant engineers, site supervisors. And yes, some walk away with lowball offers or have to hunt off campus. Here's the harsh truth. If you ignore DSA, communication skills and resume polish, you might be heading toward a fourth-year nightmare. But start early, code consistently, present yourself well, you could leapfrog your peers, even land in product-based companies as a mechanical student. ACT3, The Awakening. What you truly take away. Beyond academics, where NIT Jamshedpur surprises you. Now here's the twist. Where this college truly transforms you is outside the classroom. The fest culture is electric. Oja's technical excellence. Kalfest creativity unleashed. Urja sportsmanship and energy. These aren't just events. They're mini MBAs. You'll learn logistics, sponsorship pitching, PR management, leadership. Clubs? Plenty. Phoenix for coders, Euphony for musicians, Debating Society, SAE, Robotics Club, Drama and TEDx. Also fun fact, there's a 70% chance your future co-founder is someone you'll meet over chai at the Nescafe stall. True transformation, why it matters. You'll fail at things here. You'll burn out during tech fests. You'll miss quizzes, lose hackathons, get ghosted by internship offers. And yet, you'll bounce back. This campus becomes a training ground for life. That's the real degree, not BTech, but the hustle, grit, and self-reliance it teaches you. Final verdict, should you choose NIT Jamshedpur? If you're looking for Glamour, Instagram-worthy buildings, spoon-fed lectures. This is not your place. But if you're hungry, if you're ready to get your hands dirty, if you want to earn your growth, NIT Jamshedpur can change your life. Its alumni don't shout from rooftops, but they're everywhere. From Silicon Valley to IIMA, from PSUs to startups, from Tata Steel to fintech unicorns. Colleges don't make careers. People do. But some colleges forge the kind of people who make careers. NIT Jamshedpur is one of them. If this video gave you clarity, smash that like button. Drop your JEE rank, target branch or city in the comments and I'll help you out with personalized advice. Subscribe for more AI-powered no-nonsense college reviews. And if you're confused between NITs, don't miss the next episode. It might just help you make the right call. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, stay ready, because the future doesn't wait.